Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing a different video, and this video is going to be on nails and what I do to save money, because child, don't nobody got no time to be spending all that money on some nails when you can do it at your house by yourself for way cheaper. Okay, so these nails here were like either $3 to $5, but I'll put the price in the description box below so that you guys will know how much exactly I paid for it. But I can guarantee you these nails did not cost me over $10. And the nails that I have are these BT Art Box false nail. Oh shoot, these nails here. I just spilled a bunch of nails. It's okay. It's my first time doing a nail video, so just bear with me. So yeah, like I was saying, the nails were, you get 500 nails, less than $10. And then also I bought this glue here, and this was $3.99 at my local CVS. So I'm gonna show you what I did for my nails and hope you enjoy this video. So the first thing I did was size the nails to make sure it fit my nails good. It fit my nail bed. So once you find the nails that are going to fit your nail beds, what you're gonna do is, well, I had nail polish on previously, so I took off my nail polish. I filed my nails so that it would be nice and smooth. And then what I did after, of course, like I said, was size the nails. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush on glue, and I'm going to brush some glue on my nail, as well as on the back of on the inside of the false nail. And so I want these to last a little while, so I put a few coats of glue, and then I just take it and make sure that it's straight. You don't want your nails to be slanted. So I take my other finger and then I hold and press like this, and then it says to only hold and press for 5 seconds, but honestly you might not even need to hold it for that long. So then you'll get this. And what I love about these nails so much is that with these nails versus my other nails, I don't have to file them. They already came with this beautiful shape. Like, y'all, I was so happy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is place all the nails on my nail, and I'll be right back. The nail polish that I'm using is the Hard Nails Extreme, and this is what it looks like. All right, you guys. And so this is just so simple, so easy. You can do this. You don't need a gel lamp, None of that. So, yes, looking cute on a budget, honey. All right, so now when you have stuff like that on your nails, what you're gonna do is just go ahead and just file it on down. Okay, so I just realized when I was doing my nails it was paused. But okay, so you see if you mess up, it's fine. All you need to do is get a Q-tip and some acetone or nail polish remover. Just be careful. All right, you guys, so that's basically all I do for my nails, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go subscribe. Bye.